Alright, y'all, so I'm back here with my slides, right? I went ahead and looked through. As you can see, there's a bajillion of them. I'm definitely not going to use all of these. But looking through, I'm pretty sure that I want to use these two. So this one, I might have some sort of headline or just my, like donate here and then a link, right? So my big message, and they can see sort of the colors. And then here's where I might have a little more information. So I think these are the two slides that I'm going to use. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the others. So I'll go through here, delete everything else. There we go. So now I've only got these two slides. And I can, of course, go through and delete the other stuff they want. I'm definitely going to delete the picture. I'm going to hold on to this because it has like the different fonts that this slideshow uses. So I'm going to hold on to those until I'm ready to put my words in. So I'm actually going to copy these, bring them over to my Action Research Flyer page. So it changed the styles. I'm going to say keep original styles, and it'll transition back, right? And so now we want to look at this and see here. Let's see here. So these are the things that I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here. Now, it did it in the same font as the other one, so I'm going to look here. Okay, it's called quicksand. So I'm going to highlight the whole thing. I'm going to find quicksand. There we go. Make it all that same font, so it's sort of consistent there. And then, let's see here. So if I'm thinking about my topic, and I might even want to change the color of that, right? And I can see they've got different color options for me here. I could pick one of those. That's kind of hard to see. I want something a little bit bolder. So I'm actually going to go ahead and just pick black. And then I'm going to come down here. What action do I recommend that people take, right? So based off of my research, I'm thinking about, my answer to this question. So I'm going to, instead of educate yourself, right? That's kind of judgy. So I'll be like, learn more. On the following links to learn more about racism, education, and how to affect change. Okay. And then I want to give them the ways to do that, right? So some different links. So I'll go gather my links, and I'll put them here. And I'll probably give titles, right? So, racism. I might want to tell them what it is, right? A video, racism in schools, article, and then what teachers, parents, and students can do. Another article, right? And so let's say this was my link, right? I'm going to come over here and I'll just, I'll highlight this. And then if I right click and go to link, paste the link in there, and now it's a link that they can click, right? So there we go, there's my link. And if I want to unclick it, I can remove link. Or I can edit it. Okay, so I've given them ways to do that, right? So now I'm going to get rid of that instruction, tell them why they should take action, right? So I'm actually going to change the order here. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to say something like, racism is a systemic issue that affects all areas of life, including education. And then I might have some of my statistics, right? So students and then I would want to put the source, right? Okay. And I would probably go into more depth there, right? So there we go. There's the info I want people to know. There's the action that I want them to take, right? And I would have a lot more info. All right. There we go. And we want this all to be nice and readable for everyone, so we'll think about the size, right? So 16. Maybe stretch it out a little bit, think about how it looks here, and decide if I want to maybe center this, right? Keeping in mind where this is going to go, right? So I'm thinking Instagram. I can post this as a second picture, right? This will probably be my first picture. I'll say something like, so maybe that's what I want. Sort of something attention grabbing, right? And then they would scroll to the next page. Wrong effects. Scroll to the next page to get that info. And I'm going to put this way smaller and probably in a different color. There we go. Let's move this down. I want this to be, there we go. Alright, so then I might save these two as pictures, right? So I could just file, where is it? Download, save it as pictures. And then when I want to go upload it somewhere, right? I've got, cool, okay. Let's see here. Open. Oh, my downloads disappeared. Right. There we go. Let's see if it'll open. Alright, there we go. There are my two pictures, right? One and I did not get the second one. Okay, so I'm going to want to go back and file, download this one as well. Great. I could also, if I'm doing this on my phone, just screenshot those, right? Radio. Those are my examples. And hopefully you can use some good templates to make yours look good too.